all the streamers. Shout out to all of you guys. Ay, sana all. Yes, mega love shout out to Awesome. Yes, to Awesome, to my dear friend Awesome. Mega love shout out to all my channel members. Yes, thank you so much. And to Sergeant Argeti. Shout out to Sergeant Argeti. Yes, and mega love shout out to Lazy Days. Lazy Days, where are you? Yes, mega love shout out to my dear friend Dark Soldier. Yeah. And to my beautiful and very kind and supportive Sisi Koy. Yes, mega love shout out to Sis Annalyn Ilederos. Woohoo! Yes, shout out tayo guys ha. Wala pang tao eh. Yan, watching pa rin ako sa iyo ha. Watching pa rin ako sis Eileen. Yes, big yes Sisi. Yahoo, yahoo. Yeah. Yes, to all the streamers dyan guys. Congratulations. It's payout day na guys. Yay! Yes, thank you so much guys to all my super chatter guys, especially to Metalhead Hippie, to Lazy Days, to Jim. Ayan, thank you so much to Dark Soldier, to Jimmy, and ang dami, hindi ko maalala guys. And to all, to Hammock Mountain, hindi ko na maalala, to Sergeant Argeti. Ayan, to all of you guys and who's sending blessings to my PayPal guys. Thank you, thank you. Yes, and to Cypher guys. Thank you so much, Cypher Circle. Yes, he always share his blessings to my channel. Thank you, thank you. Yes, thank you so much guys. And to all my good friends. Team Amazing. It's a Thai family. Thank you so much to all of you guys. You know, I love you all. Ay, sana all. Sisi Koy, to my Maring, next vlog, thank you. Ay, lahat na nag-thank you na guys. Oo, lahat. Magpasalamat tayo guys sa lahat ng mga tumutulong sa atin guys. Kasi kung wala sila, wala tayo guys. Wala tayong kita dito sa YouTube. Kaya kailangan lagi natin silang pasalamatan, di ba? Yeah. Kung walang nagsisend sa atin ng blessings, wala tayong kita, guys. Especially sa super chat natin. Di ba? Oh, kaya maglambada muna tayo. Tara, lambada na tayo, Sis Eileen. Yes, watching ako dito ha, sa harang mo, Sis Eileen. Tox, thank you so much, Tox. Yes, thank you to my secret sender, to my PayPal guys today. Thank you so much. Let's go.